In this video, I'll show you exactly how to play the Megamouth Shark in Deep.io so you can start dominating each and every server. Let's get into it. Firstly, you must choose the right evolution path, which is selecting Dragonfish at tier 8, Thrilled Shark at tier 9, and finally Megamouth Shark at tier 10. The Megamouth Shark has an aggressive playstyle, dominating the deep. Let's explain the flashbang ability. Charge a boost to emit a short-range laser beam that inflicts a flashbang effect, blinding your target and doing 30 damage while your target touches the beam. If your beam intersects with another Megamouth Shark's beam, both your beams will be disabled. Flash targets will take 20% more damage from you, and you gain 25% speed. Another bonus, you become ungrabbable, but the cost is your turning is significantly reduced. What makes the Megamouth Shark so strong is that the stats resemble that of a tank. You can boost and you are at default speed. Unlike tanks, you can also deal 210 damage to your flash targets if you use a normal boost, which can be useful as a face tank finisher. Moreover, it is not recommended to try and face tank a basking shark because your stats mirror each other. So if you're forced to fight in a 1v1, then whoever gets the first hit will have a massive advantage. Halibutes, cleft fins, giant squids are particularly fair kills to get, as face taking usually works. However, your opponent might not try to face tank you, so keep this in mind. This might sound extremely wrong, but this next tip will actually help you with killing more experienced players. Do not keep your laser on while face taking. All you need to do is to flashbang them once, then turn off the ability. You'll still have the higher damage, and you'll have better turning speed, which is extremely important. There are a couple matchups that you do want to use your laser for. These will be giant squid, sleeper shark, orca, and pretty much any other grabber. Let's break down the raw stats. Having a speed of 100%, 1000 total health, 140 base damage, 210 boost damage, and 3 boosts. With oxygen time 15 seconds, temperature time 10 seconds, pressure time 20 seconds, and salinity time 10 seconds. All realistic skins are the white tip Megamouth Shark, Earth Day Megamouth Shark, False Megamouth Shark, Blue Megamouth Shark, Twisted Megamouth Shark, Iridescent Megamouth Shark, and Brown Megamouth Shark. All seasonal and unrealistic skins are Shark the Conqueror, Mega Wave, Black Hole Megamouth Shark, Destroyer of all worlds. Before we reveal the counters, this video is sponsored by QuickZoo. They make unfiltered and brutally honest educational content about our planet and wildlife. Make sure to check them out, link in the description. Stunners like sleeper sharks, polar bears, and beaked whales can stop the beam of the Megamouth Shark and get some free hits. However, if you can slowly wither down a Megamouth Shark by hitting them and running for healing, Goblin Shark gets the advantage at range, as it can use projectiles to damage the Megamouth Shark from a distance. However, its health makes it a mediocre counter against the Megamouth Shark. In summary, all stunners completely counter the Megamouth Shark. Comment your thoughts about the Megamouth Shark tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe if this was helpful.